Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll hear a realistic and simple conversation between two friends, Ben and Nathan. They use practical English sentences, starting with have for daily situations. Let's get started.
Have you charged the phone? Yes, I plugged it in an hour ago. It should be full now. Good. We'll need it for the trip later. Absolutely. Did you install the navigation app? Yeah, I installed it last night. Have you checked the directions? Not yet. Have you saved the location? Yes, I have. I also added a couple of stops on the way. Nice. Have you packed your bag? Kind of. I've packed clothes, but not the snacks yet. Have you brought sunscreen? It's going to be sunny. Oh no. I forgot. Have you packed yours? Yes, I have one. You can use it too. Thanks. Have you filled your water bottle? I haven't yet. I'll do that now. Cool. Also, have you called Alex? Is he joining us? Not yet. I was waiting for you to be ready first. Well, have you at least texted him? Yes, I did. He said he'll meet us at the station. Perfect. Have you booked the cab? Nope. I thought you were going to do that. Okay. I'll book it now. Have you downloaded any music for the ride? Yes, I've got a playlist ready. Have you heard the new song by that indie band? Not yet. Have you added it to the playlist? Of course I have. You'll love it. Great. Have you brought your headphones? Yes, but I'm hoping we just use the speaker. Agreed. Have you taken some cash? Just in case. Yes. I always carry a little. Have you brought your ID? Yes, I've packed it with my wallet. Have you seen my sunglasses though? Aren't they on the table near the TV? Oh yes. Got them. Have you fed your dog? Yes, I have. He's sleeping peacefully now. Cool. Have you locked your room? Not yet. I'll do it when we step out. Okay. Have you taken the tickets? Yes, I downloaded them to my phone. Awesome. Have you checked the train timing again? Yeah, it's still the same. We should leave in 15 minutes. Fine. Have you packed an extra mask, just in case? Yes, I did. Have you? Yup. Always. Have you informed your parents? Yes, I told them we're going and I'll call them after we reach. Good. Have you brought your charger? I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me. No problem. Have you eaten anything? Just a sandwich. Have you? I had breakfast early. I'll grab something on the way. Okay. Have you checked the weather again? Yes, it's still sunny. No rain expected. That's good. Have you set your status to away at work? Yes. I'm officially offline. Nice. Vacation mode on. Have you taken a jacket though? It might be chilly tonight. Yes, packed one just in case. Great. Have you taken motion sickness pills for Alex? Oh. I totally forgot. Do we have any at home? I think there's a strip in the drawer. Let's check. Found it. Have you taken one for safety too? No, I don't need it. But I'll carry one. Smart. Have you closed the windows? Yup. Everything's locked. Alright then. Shall we leave? Let's go. Adventure awaits.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.